Problem 2 is asking, is the shape a triangle? If it is, you're going to write yes on the line. If it is not, I need you to explain why it is not a triangle on the lines. So we've got 4 shapes here. We've got A, B, C, and D. For each of those shapes, I need you to think, is that shape a triangle? If it is, you're going to write yes. Let me get my highlighter. Where you're going to write yes on the line if it is a triangle. If it's not, I want you to write no and then explain why it's not a triangle. So think about all of the attributes or the characteristics that you know about a triangle. Think about how many sides it has, how many corners it has, whether it has straight or curved lines. And remember, for each of these, if it is a triangle, you can write yes. If it's not, I need you to tell me no and then explain why it is not a triangle.